mere sight of a silhouette. Most are frightened, yet I sat and lit a cigarette. Lost in excitement, she breathed life into my cold strife. Plus got fight like 300 without a bow strike. Like lightning, could melt iron, Mike Tyson. So fly, she rules sky without a pilot license. No man in orbit safe, not even Vikings in the Nordic state. She like light, sun in the morning makes. Not sun of morning, more like daughter of dawn. The queen of the summer, none hotter has spawned. She killing the game when I'm feeling the flame. It kills stress, so the villain remains.
She's always had it, blue flame magic inside her basket. The ability to move through pain like you move through traffic. Born that way like a brick house, tough and hard to interpret. Kept her feelings undetected, reflective on the surface. Earthic hit with the spit, she could get anything with the wit. She gamed up, she came off the cats that want to fuck on their back they lay. Ate like a parfait, no barcode, she off the grid. Warped into the streets, morphing enemies into puzzle pieces, put them in their place. In a space filled with pills dissolving in the Hennessy. Lake of sadness, a woman's madness on the brink of a breakdown. She finds surrendering, though that may sound like giving in. She found a way back to self, and from the days that she pimped those hoes across the racetrack, she found some peace and knowing that she's decent in the eyes of God, and she can teach that. Or reach back to the young girls on that avenue with the same flame tattooed on their cornea.
Fire in her eyes. Fire in her eyes. Fire in her eyes. It's burning, I felt it. Inferno, melted, speechless moments, vibrations, opponents. She's so hot and steaming. All words are unheard. I sure got the meaning. No wonder, just thunder. Much like sun rays at noontime, or alcohol content in moonshine. Scorching the area of focus, make ashes of your entire fortress. With one look, it's over. Game done, a soldier. Passion, desire inside her.